This humanoid robot has just set a new world record with a maximum speed of 3.3 meters per second, which is approximately 10.8 feet per second. That's equivalent to human running speed faster than a jog. If you saw it run past you, you'd likely do a double take. Not only does it have impressive speed, but it also has dynamic whole-body coordination and a strong power landing ability, showcasing its athleticism. Additionally, it can perform TikTok dances with finesse, further demonstrating its versatility and agility. Another noteworthy robot from the same company is a dog-like robot, adding to their impressive lineup of robotic creations. The humanoid robot, known as the H1, is the one that set the world record. It excels in various tasks, including navigating stairs, jumping, and even displaying boxing skills. Its capabilities extend to academic pursuits as well, as it's heading to UCSD, which might raise some concerns for those living nearby. However, its presence also symbolizes the potential for peaceful coexistence between humans and robots. What's truly remarkable about this robot is its accessibility. Despite its advanced features, it comes with a price tag that's within reach for many businesses. Priced at around $90,000, it's comparable to the cost of a high-end pickup truck. Considering its potential to increase efficiency and productivity, this investment could easily pay off for businesses. With financing options available, it becomes even more feasible for businesses to incorporate this. The H1 stands at approximately 180 centimeters tall, just under 6 feet, and weighs 47 kilograms. Just over 100 pounds. Equipped with depth cameras and 3D sensors, it boasts impressive mobility capabilities with a travel speed of up to 1.5 meters per second, approximately a fast walk, and potential mobility of up to 5 meters per second, significantly faster than the current record. Additionally, its hollow electrical routing ensures a clean and streamlined design without any external cables, further enhancing its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Unitree's robots demonstrate a fusion of affordability, advanced features, and modular design. The potential applications span various industries, from firefighting and rescue missions to industrial automation and security patrolling. As Unitree's robots begin deployment, their impact on diverse sectors is anticipated to unfold. This overview of Unitree's humanoid robots, particularly the H1 and B2 models, showcases their impressive capabilities and potential applications. As these robots make their way into the US and EU markets, their affordability and advanced features position them as innovative solutions for businesses and consumers alike. Stay tuned for further updates and potential hands-on reviews of these groundbreaking robots.